I'd like to make a busy board for my grandson, and I'd like it to be in the shape of a three-sided pyramid, which will give three different sizes, three different faces to play on, and will make it stable and a little bit unusual. So the first thing I want to do is do a proof of concept. The angles on a three-sided pyramid are typically sort of 60 degrees, so I need to be able to miter the sides at 60 degrees, and this is just a little test I've done from some scrap wood. I've produced a holder for the triangles, which I've cut out on my CNC for accuracy and for speed. And I'll need 4 of these, of course, for this little proof of concept pyramid that I'll make. And this cuts the sides to an angle of 30-degree miter like this. I've now cut out the 4 triangles and just put them together. Each one looks like this. Obviously exaggerated cut due to the thickness, but when I put them together I find that the angles are not quite right. This of course is because whilst this section here shows the pyramid angles as all 60 degrees in plan, i.e. sort of this angle, the actual miter is cut on this line, and therefore it needs to be adjusted by, instead of being 30 degrees, it needs to be 30 degrees divided by cos 60, which is 34.6 degrees. So I'll redo this with an angle of as close as I can get it, 34.6, and then it'll get rid of the misalignment inside, I hope. And this is after tweaking the angle. I'm trying to hold these together, but you can see that the joints are much better with the slightly changed angle, and I think that'll do for now, because the thickness of the relative thickness of the sides will be very much less when I use plywood on a bigger pyramid. So I'm happy with that proof that I can actually put a pyramid